Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to introduce you a very famous model from Hoco company W35, which is famous by its battery timing, that is 40 hours battery time. Guys, let's unbox it and watch what's inside the box and other features about this headphone. As soon as we unbox it and find out that manual instruction which is mentioned here about product, battery time, everything mentioned here, charging hour, voltage spotted, you must read out before use this product. This is over warranty card, company offer 1 year warranty. As well, here have type C charging cable plus AUX cable. You can use this type C charging cable, aux cable for your laptop, or otherwise you can use that product with PC or PlayStation 4. Let's have a look of headset. Amazing shiny look. There's crown, plastic crown, that is not metal, it's crown plastic. You must be careful about this section. And it's very lightweight headset. You see, it's very lightweight. It's good for gym or running. That's control panel. Here have volume, AUX cable, type C port. That headset is adjustable. You can adjust as you feel comfort on your ears. All over quality and look is premium of this product. Amazing look. And let's talk about the sponge. Sponge is very comfortable, soft, soundproof. The both cup size is 40 mm. That's comfortable on your ears. Upper head is leather stuff. That stuff same with the upper head. Shiny, glossy, amazing.